Today we're going to learn how to assemble the 35-liter core pack. We're going to start by attaching the shoulder yoke to the tree stand bracket. Begin by placing the shoulder yoke pad side down. Position the tree stand bracket over the yoke and press firmly together to secure the hook and loop. This bracket can later be adjusted to fit your torso, but for now, just start with it somewhere in the middle of the adjustment range by positioning the bottom of the bracket flush with the bottom buckle straps near the bottom of the pad, shown here. Feed the black straps on either side down through the top buckles on the yoke. Through the slots on the tree stand bracket, and lastly, through the bottom buckles on the yoke as shown here, and pull tight. Make sure you do this for both sides. After you attach the shoulder yoke to the tree stand bracket, now we're going to attach the waist belt to the lumbar pad. Slide the waist belt through the pocket of the lumbar pad. Center left to right. Slide the waist belt to the bottom and secure it in place by firmly pressing together the hook and loop. Now we're going to attach the waist belt assembly to the shoulder yoke assembly. Lay out the parts as shown and feed the two black straps from the shoulder yoke assembly through the buckles on the top of the lumbar pad. Then you're going to attach the bottom of the shoulder straps to the lumbar pad. Do this by feeding the straps that are sewn to the lumbar pad through the buckles on the top of the shoulder straps. You should do 1/2 twist towards the pack. This twist will make the webbing lie flat against your sides so they don't cut into you. Next, you're going to attach the pack to the tree stand. Attach the shoulder yoke assembly to the tree stand by sliding the tree stand bracket onto the bottom of the tree stand platform as shown. Attach the waist belt assembly to the tree stand by hooking the tree stand bracket over the lip on the front edge of the platform and rotating it up into place. Secure the pack to the tree stand by pulling the two black straps in the center tight. If you'd like to tuck away the loose ends of the straps, feed them down through the slot in the buckles. Lastly, attach the load lifter straps by feeding the brown strap from the tree stand bracket through the triangle openings on the tree blade of the platform. Hook the G-hooks from the shoulder straps to the loops. Don't tighten this down yet, you'll tighten that down when you're adjusting the pack to fit you. Now you're going to attach the gear bag to the system. The gear bag is attached to the system with the use of 6 black straps. Begin by hooking the G-hooks on the top of the gear bag to the black straps from the tree stand bracket. Be sure that the straps are positioned correctly over the tree stand seat pad as shown. Next, clip the black straps from the bottom of the lumbar pad to the black clips on the bottom of the gear bag and pull tight. Clip the black straps on the side of the gear bag to the black clips from the shoulder yoke assembly and pull tight. Once all the straps are connected and pulled tight, the complete system is ready to go. The core pack comes with 4 different accessory attachment pieces. These can be customized just about anywhere you want on the pack that has a place for them. For example, the MOLLE paneling on the front of the pack or on the waist belt. This is an example of how we run our systems. After everything is attached, the entire system is ready to rock and roll. For more information, visit nestedtreestands.com.